Welcome to Fingal, Scotland's only luxury floating hotel, permanently moored on Edinburgh's vibrant waterfront. Once a working vessel for the Northern Lighthouse Board, Fingal has been transformed into a stunning destination that marries the elegance of a superyacht with the charm of maritime heritage. Now reborn as a floating sanctuary, Fingal blends rich history with timeless luxury. Think gleaming brass, polished wood, and Art Deco lighting that evoke the golden age of ocean liners. Fingal boasts 22 meticulously designed cabins, each named after a Stevenson lighthouse. Espresso machines, noble aisle toiletries, and private decks elevate the experience, offering modern comfort with a nautical twist. Dining aboard Fingal is just as spectacular. Indulge in a 5-course afternoon tea or savour a seasonal dinner crafted with Scotland's finest produce. Their expertly crafted cocktails with a maritime flair are not to be missed. Perfect for exclusive hire, Fingal's grand ballroom hosts up to 60 guests for unforgettable events. From weddings to corporate celebrations, the raised gallery and removable skylight set the stage for magic. Fingal isn't just a hotel, it's a floating treasure. Whether you're seeking a luxurious getaway or intrigued by its nautical history, this one-of-a-kind destination offers an experience unlike any other.